Alrighty, so as you can see, it's homecoming week, so starting today, I begin my adventure as a siren enthusiast throughout high school. Please wish me luck. This is the homecoming assembly. This is part 1. It's currently 3rd hour right now. It's the B-Day.
Okay, alright, everyone, let's try and get seated as quickly as possible.
I have no idea what's going on right here, but... Oh, okay. I think this is just another class. What the hell? What's this? Huh.
Okay, alright guys, I'm so excited to have you here. It's the beginning of homecoming week, and we're excited to kick it off with our alumni assembly. We have a ton to go through, a ton to get through this week. It's going to be awesome, but before we start anything, we got to start with the pledge. Everyone, please stand and put your hands over your heart for the pledge of allegiance. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Now on the musical number, performed by our orchestra quartet.
Let's go! Is this orchestra performance? Bless you.
Okay, so this week, guys, we have so many fun things planned, so we're super excited to see you there. If you want a refresher on what's going on this week, you can go to LHS Fairs and check out all the graphics.
And we also made a little quick video for y'all explaining more about each activity for the week and what people are mostly looking forward to.
Seniors, tonight is Main Street. Everybody be there at 6 o'clock in the West parking lot and bring your own pizza.
Tomorrow is everybody's favorite event, tie-dye on the lawn. Come to the practice field behind the bleachers and come get some food and tie-dye a shirt.
Hey guys, we should come to the parade at 6 on Wednesday. You better be there.
Wednesday after the parade, come to Powder Puff.
Thursday at lunch, come treat yourself. Best meals are going to be handing out to you for lunch, and I know you don't want to miss it.
You better be ready for the homecoming pep rally on Friday.
But don't forget about the homecoming game. At 7, groups in the gold out at home. Be there.
And don't forget about the homecoming dance.
On Saturday at 8 o'clock.
There will be videos, by the way.
I'm most excited for seeing you paint the street.
Paint the street!
Paint the street!
We're most excited for tie-dye and lawn.
Tie-dye on the lawn.
Tie-dye on the lawn.
Most excited for tie-dye on the lawn.
I was not expecting Still Trying to Play. That song is explicit though.
I'm most excited for being prepared on
Dog!
For the homecoming game.
Homecoming game!
For the homecoming game. The football game.
Our favorite thing is the game. The game, obviously.
My favorite homecoming tradition is students telling me they can't do their homework because they have to